Once you receive your order, go ahead and lay out everything in front of you. The only tools you'll need for installation are a 6mm Allen, 8mm socket with extension, and a 10mm wrench. Using your 8mm with extension, remove the 2 mounting bolts on each side of the rear fenders. Remove both fenders by gently pulling them out from the bike and then towards the taillight. Now with your 10mm wrench, remove the bolt and OEM collar as shown. Be sure to save the collar as you will need it for installation. Perform the same process for the rear mounting locations as well. Now take your new rack and align it into place. Now prepare your hardware for installation by taking the longer bolt from your toolkit and sliding the washer over it. Using the metal collar from before, install it into the forward mounting location. Now align the rack over it as shown. Now you can insert your longer bolt with washer hand tight. Be sure to repeat this process for the opposite side of the bike. For the rear mounting locations, you'll want to make sure that the hardware is in the correct order. Starting from the outside and going in, it should be in the following order: the bolt, washer, rack, spacer, collar, subframe. Please be sure to have this in the correct order as it's important for the installation of the rack. With your Allen key, tighten down the rear mounting locations. Now tighten down the forward mounting locations as well. Now that your rack is securely fastened, you can go ahead and reinstall your fenders. Just repeat the process in reverse from the beginning. Once you have reinstalled your fenders, you're good to go. Thanks for watching.